Oh look, a message! Before we click on the link, let's check it out with the cyber threat intelligence search engine, Criminal IP. Using Criminal IP's domain search, we can scan that link right away. According to AI analysis, this domain has so many risks, it's ranked as critical. By looking at tags and links frequently used to inject malicious code from scan result, we now know that this domain is a phishing site. Try looking into this fishy-looking link by using Criminal IP without direct access. Oh no! An external attack has been detected in the company's cloud network. Wondering how the attacker gained access to your network? With Asset Search, you can check vulnerabilities immediately by just searching keywords. A single click will help you monitor all your IT assets and immediately respond to vulnerabilities with real-time automatic detection. In addition, you can view more details about vulnerabilities and exploit information with Exploit Search. Image Search allows you to search assets in the form of images that are left wide open to cyber threats. Simply use it like Google Image Search. With Criminal IP, you can check any worldwide IP address information and protect your assets from ever-evolving cyber threats. The most reliable and convenient way to keep yourself safe from cyber threats is Criminal IP. Search for anything, secure your everything.